Ukrainian combat medics training to be even faster and evacuate more quickly. It's even more critical now that both sides of the war between Ukraine and Russia are using first-person view drones on the front lines. The drones are small, cheap, and deadly.
The enemy has adopted a new method starting approximately 6 months ago, if not earlier.
Here in South Donbass, Ukrainian soldiers are training to increase their speed, knowing that a first-person view, or FPV, may be racing after them and ready to strike. Now, more than ever, they realize that their next deployment to the front lines could be their last.
One of the biggest challenges during evacuation is the presence of FPV drones. This often leads to delays of up to 12 hours or more. Every delay risks lives.
FPV drones are mounted with cameras that stream back live images to drone pilots who can see those pictures through virtual reality headsets or goggles and control the drones using tablets. Soldiers load an explosive onto the drone, which then slams into its target, all while sending back a first-person view of the impact and explosion. They are disposable. Ukrainian officials told VOA they cost just about $300 a piece. They are light and fly close to the ground, under the radar and hard to detect, unlike their conventional predecessors, which are easy to spot and easy prey for anti-aircraft guns. Their low cost and effectiveness mean that since mid-2023, the drones have appeared in swarms. They hit harder and deeper. This is also thanks to more advanced retransmitter or remote control units that enable them to go farther into enemy territory.
Different retransmitters have emerged, significantly increasing the range for the same FPV drones. Consequently, the destruction of equipment has escalated significantly.
Lights are kept dim in this room deep in a forest in northern Donbass, where Chief commands his fleet of drones. One operator maneuvers close to a Russian armored vehicle, then crashes the drone into it. The monitor fades to black. Meanwhile, another drone surveys from a distance, checking for signs of smoke to confirm the drone's impact. Next door in the kitchen, 3D printers are busy producing plastic parts to be assembled with electric motors sourced from China. Dozens of these drones are dispatched to the front lines daily and inflicting huge damage. The FPV drones may appear like toys, but they carry bombs capable of inflicting devastating damage on both personnel and equipment. Irina is an IT engineer and volunteer drone pilot with one of the highest number of hits in this unit.
Maybe weird because there are people there, but you know, when we're destroying them, we are protecting us.
Irina says she loves drones, but hopes the war ends soon and that she doesn't have to use them as a weapon anymore. Yan Boechat, VOA News, Donbass, Ukraine.